Hey, so today I'm going to make a sweatshirt that says Nana on it. I've been seeing lots of people making these sweatshirts. They usually say mama or mom, mama, mommy, something like that. And I thought they were really cute. Usually they use a baby's onesie. I'm gonna do mine a little bit different. Mine is gonna say Nana. That's what my son calls my mom, is Nana. So I'm gonna take this sweatshirt, and then I have these overalls. So we're gonna use those. I've printed off letters for Nana. I'm just gonna take that, I'm gonna trace it on some heat and bond, iron it onto the overalls, cut the letters out, iron them onto the sweater. And then once they're ironed on the sweater, I'm gonna stitch around each letter with a zigzag stitch. I think it's gonna turn out nice. And I've seen lots of people doing it using an embroidery machine. I haven't really seen anyone showing how to do it with just a regular sewing machine. So hopefully I'll be able to do that. Let's see, let's give it a shot. The first step is trace the letters onto the heat and bond. So I'm gonna do that now. You want to make sure that your letters are mirrored so that they come out the right way. So I want to pop in and give you that reminder, and now I'm going to retrace these. I'm gonna go ahead and iron the letters onto the pants, cut them out, iron them onto the shirt, and then I'll just stitch around the letters. So it's looking real cute. Okay, so the last thing I have to do is stitch around the letters, and then I'll be done. All right, that's my video, and I got my sweatshirt complete, and I'm so excited to give it to my mom. This is how it turned out. I think it turned out really cute. I was able to put the little dinosaur in the A, and I used some of the snaps in the N. I tried to use a lot of pieces of the overall so that when she sees it, she'll recognize it right away. And I'm gonna give it to her, and I'm very excited. So thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button.